Hello, today we're going to set up our very first identity document skill together. The easiest way to do this is to go to the ABBYY Marketplace and search for identity documents. If you search for what you see here on the screen, that will bring you to this skill. When you get to this skill, hit the Try Asset button and click the Accept Asset Terms. When you do that, the software will download a zip file that has the skill contents. Now, to the eye, that zip file doesn't mean much to you, but what you have there is the ability then to import that zip file into the Vantage technology. So I'm going to do that here. And when we upload that, we will now have a skill called Identity Documents in our skills list. At this point, if I click on this, the software will tell me, hey, we can't change the pre-trained out-of-the-box skill, but what you can do is duplicate it and edit it. So that's what I'm going to do. And when I duplicate and edit, you'll see here behind the scenes, the software is actually creating a copy of that skill for me. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and rename this. What I'll do here is go ahead and publish the skill. Now I have a skill that is ready for my consumption. Now the coolest way to try out this skill is to go to my Documents tab. When I go to my Documents tab, I'm going to use a mobile upload feature to show you how you can easily take a picture of a document and get that uploaded into ABBYY Vantage. All right, so now what I'm going to do is click the mobile upload button. When I get that here, I will have a QR code. That QR code can be scanned by a mobile device, such as an iPhone or Android device. So what I'm going to do is actually mirror my screen so you can see this on my phone. Here's my phone, and I'm actually going to take a picture of it and just hit that Scan Documents button. When I hit the Scan Document button, you'll see this little cool app pops up that says, hey, would you like to open our Scan Documents feature? When I click Open, the software will take me to a window where I can then take a beautiful picture of the ID that I want to scan. The software will auto capture that picture, and I can click Upload. When I click Upload, the software will transfer that to ABBYY Vantage. And now if we go behind the scenes back into Vantage again, and we refresh our documents list, you will see that I now have a document up there. So that's how simple it is just to get even a test document into the solution. Now we can even use that for a production process. But if I just click this select skill and I search for our ID documents skill, the software is going to classify and extract the information off of that document. And if I click Review here, you will see the contents that we've extracted on this given document. So you can see the name, the address, the type of driver's license this is, other important critical information about the actual document. If I did take a picture of the back of the document, I would have some barcode or MRZ data there available for us that we can perform a comparison against. So this is really how simple it is just to get a document within the solution. You can see now I already have, within minutes, a document that is being classified as a driver's license. I know the state, I know the person, and I can continue using that document and its extracted data in our downstream process. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, would you do me a favor and click the like button, the subscribe button, and even click that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.